Okay, grade 4. Today we will do question number 5. Exercise book 4A, page number 4. You can see on the screen. What is the question number 5? What are the values of the digits in each number? You have to tell the values of each number. Everyone knows how we read the number. The first digit is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, right? How we read the number? Start from the top right. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, and 10,000. What we have to do? We just write the value, place value. Okay? We just write the value, or you can say the place value of each and every digit. So what is the place value of 2? The place value of 2 is 1. So there is no 0 in the 1. So just write 1s. The place value of 2 is 1s. So just write 2. Okay. Now what is the place value of 8? The place value of 8 is tens. Okay. So just write 80. The place value of 8 is tens. So how we write tens? 80. 2 digits because tens have 1 0. So 80. What is the place value of 6? The place value of 6 is 100. So how we do? We just write 100. Now ones, tens, 100. Now what is the place value of 4? The place value of 4 is 1000. How many zeros in the 1000? There are 3 zeros. So just write 4 and 3 zeros. 1000. What is the place value of 3? Ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. So how we write 10,000? There are 4 zeros in the 10,000. So just write 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros. Okay. It makes 10,000. Let me explain you again. What you have to do, write the place values of each and every digit. How we read the number? Start from the top right. Ones, tens, hundreds, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, and 10,000. What is the place value of 2? It's ones. The place value of 8 is 10. So just write 80 because there is only 1 0 in the tens. So how we write the tens place? Just put 1 0 like 80. How we write the 100 place? Make it becomes 600. Sorry. The place value of 6 is 600. Now what the place value of 4 is? 4000. The place value of 3 is 10,000. How many zeros in the 10,000? There are 4 zeros in the 10,000. In this way, similar way, we have to do the part B. Yes. So what happened in the part B? What is the place value of 9? The place value of 9 is 1. We will do a quiz about this topic. Then everyone can do the practice, okay? Now what is the place value of 2? Place value of 2 is 10. So just write 20. Okay. What is the place value of 0? Yes. What is the place value of 0? The place value of 0 is 100. So we just write only 0. Okay. 100 place पे क्या है? Only 0. Which number at the 1000 place? Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. 6. How we write this? 6,000. How many zeros in the 1000? There are 3 zeros in the 1000. Okay. Now 7. What is the place value of 7? The place value of 7 is 10,000. How we write the 10,000? How many zeros in the 10,000? 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Question number 5, part A and part B, what you have to do? Just write the values of each and every number. How we write the values? Start reading the number ones, tens, hundred, thousand, and 10,000. What is the place value of 9? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000. Okay, the similar question is part C. What we have to do in part C? Same. What you have to give the place value of each and every digit. The place value of 8 is 1. So just write only once. Okay. What is the place value of the second? 8 is 10s. Very. So just write 10s over here. What is the place value of these two zeros? This is the hundreds and this is the thousand. So just write 0. Only one. One time you can write the 0. Okay. Hundreds. What is the place value of this 0 is 1000. And what is the place value of this is 10,000. How many zeros in the 10,000? There are 4 zeros in the 10,000. Just write. The place value of 1 is 10,000. The question number 6 is your homework, and question number 7 we supposed to do in the class. Okay. So let me explain you first question number 7, then I will explain your homework. So question number 7 is a 5-digit number has the following. Just in this question is just like a riddle. ठीक है, जैसे हम riddle solve करते हैं इस तरह का ये question है. तो कैसे solve करेंगे हम इसको? हम यहाँ पे लिख लेंगे प्लेस वैल्यूज दे देंगे सबसे पहले. ठीक है, ones and then make a column of tens. Similarly, make a column of 100. Okay. Okay, now read the number. The place value of 1 is 1000. So we write 1 at the place of 1000. Okay. Now what is the place? The digit 0 is in the 100 place and in the 10 place. So digit 0 is a 100 place. So we write digit 0 is a 100 place. And the digit 0 is also on the 10 place. So just write digit 0 on the 10 place. Okay. Now the digit 9 is in the ones place. So we write digit 9 at the ones place. Now the digit 5 stands for the 10,000 place. How many zeros in the 10,000? There are 4 zeros. So the digit 5 stands for 50,000 means 10,000 place. So just write 10,000. Place पे हम कौन सा लिखेंगे? We write 5. 5. Okay. In this way. So we got the number. ठीक है, a 5-digit number. This is a 5-digit number. हमने कैसे इसको reveal किया? First of all, we make a ones, tens, hundred, thousand, and 10,000. Then the value of 1 is 1000. So we put 1 over here at the place of 1000. Then the value of 0 is hundreds and tens. So we put zeros on place hundreds and 10. What is the place value of 9 is in the ones place. So we put 9 in the ones place and the digit 5 is on the 10,000 place. So just write 5 at the place of 10,000. Hope everyone got it. Okay, now I'm going to explain your homework. Question number 6 is your homework. Fill in the blanks. The digit 3, the number is given over here 56387. Now the digit 3 stands for, what is the place value of digit 3? Ones, tens, hundreds. So you just write the place value of 3, right? In the second blank, what you have to do? The digit 5 stand for, where is 5 stand for? What is the place value of 5 is? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. So we write the place value of 5. Okay, like 5,000. Okay. What is the place where the digit blank is in the thousand place? अब thousand place पे कौन सा digit है? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So we write over here 6. The digit blank is in the tens place. Which digit is on the tens place? 8. Very good. And there are dash 10,000, 6,000, 300s and 8 tens and 7 ones. So 7 ones, 8 tens, 300s, 6,000 and 10,000 की वैल्यू क्या है? There are dash 10,000. 10,000 कितने इधर? So we put 5 over here. In this way you have to do your homework.